The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. From the moment you see it, the aggressive styling, carbon fiber winglets, and that signature supercharged engine let you know this bike means business. Performance is where the H2R truly shines. Its 998cc supercharged inline-4 engine produces over 300 horsepower, delivering acceleration that's absolutely mind-blowing. Twist the throttle, and it feels like you're launching a rocket rather than riding a bike. It's incredibly fast, stable at high speeds, and packed with premium electronics like launch control, traction control, cornering management, and a quick shifter that make the experience even more thrilling. That said, this isn't a bike for everyone. It's built strictly for the track, meaning it's not street legal in most countries. It's also expensive to buy, maintain, and insure, so it's definitely aimed at experienced riders who want the ultimate performance machine. So is the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R worth your money? If you're chasing unmatched speed, cutting-edge engineering, and one of the most iconic motorcycles ever built, absolutely. But if you're looking for a practical everyday ride, you'll probably want to look elsewhere.